Welcome to Floripa! If you want to speak English, reading books will not help you. Learning grammar and solving some quizzes will not help you. What will help you are only these two things. Number one, listening. When you listen to our conversation on this video with Brazilian businesswoman. And number two, speaking. So here's the challenge for you. I want you to watch this video for the first time from 1 to 100% and to fully understand everything. If you don't understand something, I want you to pause it, write down the word and translate it. And when you're gonna watch it for the second time, I want you to shadow me, to pause this video when I ask a question, and I want you to repeat that question so you could practice your speaking. And remember, nobody is perfect. It's completely fine to make mistakes. I make mistakes on my own, and you should make mistakes. So start speaking with me. Now, let's get started. It's been 15 minutes since we were supposed to start recording.
You are not supposed to give people advice.
It's Brazil, but I know that girl is busy and she is right there talking to other girls and making her business happen. So we're gonna let her finish.
A few moments later.
Let's go.
Let's get started.
We are at Elica Hotel in downtown Florianópolis in front of the beach. Go, you first.
Go,
Please.
go.
Lorenzo, let's show him what is beautiful here. You can
Oh,
go
wow.
because I can wait here with him. Or maybe you can help me.
Absolutely. Young man,
Can you?
are you ready? Absolutely. You get a
Thank
big
you.
guns right here. Oh, wow, that's
Yeah,
pretty.
this is the kind of rooftop that I was talking about.
All units target heading north on rooftop.
Yeah.
It's a different design, front of the beach, everything clean and minimalism. How can I say this in English?
Minimalistic.
Minimalistic.
Yeah,
Yes.
minimalism is the same word.
Yes.
It's very minimalistic. I love it.
Yeah.
And look at this view, guys.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
Floripa is the best place ever.
I agree. I think it is the best city that I've been to in Brazil so far. I've visited Rio, small city Macaé, São Paulo, Curitiba, Porto Alegre, São Sebastião do Caí.
Whoa.
But Florianópolis is definitely gorgeous.
Really?
It is the best city that I've been to so far.
Yeah.
Rio is beautiful, but I mean, Rio has a little bit different vibe.
Yes.
But Floripa is a higher quality, even though it's cheaper, which is quite crazy
I just saw your mom downstairs, and even though she's pretty old, she's really hot.
because Rio de Janeiro has more favelas,
Yes.
has more people living on streets. And here, I've only seen 1 or 2 homeless folks so far, to be honest.
Yeah, of course we have. We need to understand that it's not anymore a small city. We are growing. We have a lot of companies, tech companies, different people coming to Floripa. So we are not a small city anymore,
Yeah.
but we are very safe. We have
Exactly.
a lot of care of the people about the security here.
Yeah.
And for me, comparing Floripa to Rio, we can compare.
Exactly, it's
So
way different.
you know?
Let's take a picture.
Yes, here too.
Opa! Any
Good.
crazy one? Ready?
Good, Lorenzo.
Let's go,
He's
Lorenzo.
a friend of mom. He's crazy. He's the crazy one.
I'm the crazy one?
Yes, you are.
Should we show any of your pictures when we were 18 and 20? I'll show you guys a picture of Natalia and me 14 years ago. So you would, and you tell me in the comments below, who's the crazy one here? It's so interesting that it's different languages will not have some words or will have extra words. And in Brazil, they don't have it. It's either he or she. So hotel is he. Ocean, Kitty Queen, it's he.
Is it?
It's he. It's he.
It's he?
It's not it. Ocean is here. Just like in Brazil, it's very similar. But in the United States, it's quite different. Ocean is it. It's not a live person that can be sure hit. That's interesting. But now, tell us, what do? Because you are a sharp-looking, beautiful lady with a kid in Floripa. What do you do professionally?
The best point in Floripa to live here is because you can walk, work it, and go to the beach and, stay safe walking with your baby.
Yeah.
Doing a meeting and then, stay, hang out with your friends. You can walk early, go to the gym, drink some coffee outside the house, like hang out with your friends and then start your day doing some meetings. And I like this routine, to enjoy life.
You afraid James might grow tired of your wannabe black girl routine and fall for something real like me?
At the same time, doing a lot of meetings, working in a project. So I work with experience. I work with customer experience. So I'm always looking to understand what this customer's needs, what they feel, what they think about brands, what brands means for the customers. It's not only about the product. It's about people, it's about feeling. It's about how can I feel when I was at the hotel, for example. What did you feel when you got there?
Wow.
It's not only a brand,
Well, I am impressed with your quest for knowledge.
Also, it's a smell that you see.
The
There's
smell,
a spray.
the flowers, the way that the people treat you,
Colors,
the attendant,
It says here the attendant told the police you were pretty upset before you got in the car.
The hotel is one of my clients, and we were working to understand the customer journey in a check-in, in a checkout.
Having found somewhere to park, Hammond checked into the hotel.
Check in, please. Thank you. Can I borrow your pen? Thank you.
In the restaurant, inside of the room, to understand how can we create some good experience to them, to impress them, to feel them good, And for me, it's a pleasure to stay working with them.
Now, ladies, what pleasure party would be complete without?
But at the same time, creating a friendship. Because right now, for example, I got Lorenzo to show them my baby that I was working with them pregnant. And then they said, Natalia, come visit us. Bring Lorenzo, we want to see him. They sent me a present. They sent me a letter. This kind of relationship with your client.
What does it mean when a guy is in a really bad relationship and it's really, really obvious that he wants to be with you?
It's something that only happens if you are open to real connect with the person at the other side.
Nice. Sounds like you're very passionate.
1 minute.
You got it.
Just a pause to see if Lorenzo it's okay.
Yeah. Sounds like you're very passionate about what you're doing.
Yes.
You love it, huh?
Look, I'm weird, okay? No, I'm passionate, and
That's a dream, to live in Floripa, to live next to the beach, to do what you love doing. Why did you choose Floripa? Were you born here?
Yeah, I was born here.
I was
born here, and I lived in São Paulo for 5 years. And it was a good experience because São Paulo, it's a big city. You can have everything you want in São Paulo. The city never stops. Looks like New York.
Yeah.
But isn't safe. You can be safe in São Paulo.
Full moon tonight. It isn't safe to travel by the full moon.
I can't imagine creating a family and a baby in São Paulo. So for me, Floripa is the best choice ever. And we are growing that, like I said, we are growing. We have a lot of tech companies here.
Yep, a lot of tech companies. A couple of days ago, I have hosted a tech meetup here with a friend of mine, Lucas. And we did see an insane amount of people who are interested in tech. Honestly speaking, Floripa is just like Miami in the United States. Florianópolis or Floripa is almost a copy, it's an improved, it's a version number 2 of Miami.
People and society can be improved.
In Miami, you will see a lot of homeless people. You will see things are old and getting rusty. But when you walk through that beach right there, you will see a lot of new pull-up bars, a lot of new workout areas where people are enjoying their time, and it's not old. People take care of it. What I've noticed, I think the biggest difference between Miami and Florianópolis is people, I'm not sure if it's a government or people, but they take care of this city.
You're just a pawn in the game.
It's the government, man. The government sucks.
And Miami is, I would say, 40% older.
Really?
It looks older than Floripa. I'm in love with Floripa so far.
So far, sir. Not. I heard it so far. Did you hear so far? I heard so far. I heard. Yeah.
I mean, majority of our viewers are from Brazil. Can you tell me, are there any better cities in Brazil than Floripa so far? Because I am in love with this city.
I'm a Manazinho. When you born here, they said that you are Manazinha da ilha.
What does that mean?
Manazinha da ilha. It's because you was born here and you like to eat with your hands. You like a simple life, you know?
Yeah.
It's something simple. It's something cute. It's something from the heart. So everybody is born here. They said, "Oh, are you a Manazinho? Are you a Manazinha da ilha?" Yes, I am. Proud of this, you know?
I am his wife, proudly, and I will proudly bear his name.
How did you learn English? Let me ask you this.
For me, all my childhood, I learned in classes plus, you know, but English.
Additional classes.
Yeah, additional classes. Thank you. Guys, if you are watching this, sorry about my English because I'm not practicing.
Are you practicing law yet?
I'm not practicing law, just going to a meeting.
You know, and practice is the best way to learn another language. Even if you are learning a lot, learning since always, you need to practice with someone. And your English or your another language that you are trying to learn, it will be better because you have the opportunity to talk with someone, to listen to someone.
I saw an opportunity and I took it.
An opportunity for what?
For me, it's so good to listen to you because the way that you speak, the accent that you speak, teaches me a lot.
Oh, nice. Thank you. And by the way, guys, if you want to practice speaking, listening, and get to know the whole world, people from different countries, I've created a platform where you can talk to people from all over the world, just like on this video right here. And you can join us by following this link, and I will see you on the next speaking session. Let me ask you one more question. If the whole world could see you right now,
oh my God.
what would you share with them? What would you want them to know? What would you advise them based on your crazy story or a crazy story of your life?
We will advise you what to write.
Be yourself, live your life, don't care about others, and understand that what you're doing right now, of course, it will be something that it will connect to something bigger, because every day is the opportunity to do something better, you know? My story, it's a lot of little stories of my life. And right now, being a mom, entrepreneur, married, having a family, it's something that I've never dreamed about it, but it's something that right now I can't imagine it without. So my advice, guys, enjoy life, it's so short, and save your friends. Because for example, right now us, since 14 years old and we are here, you know, you text me and then I answer and then we are here.
Absolutely. That's crazy.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, Natalia.
I love it.
Me too. Nice seeing you. And I will see you again.
Yes, sure. Yes.